Hello everyone. Today is my topic from organic chemistry from Pardeep's books Organosulfur Compounds. Introduction. Sulfur is placed in the third period of the periodic table just below oxygen in group 16. During the recent past, a lot of work has been carried out in the area of organosulfur compounds, primarily due to their importance in industry, pharmaceuticals and metabolic processes. Therefore, in this unit, we shall discuss some important aspects of the chemistry of organosulfur compound. Structural feature. Both oxygen and sulfur alter the chemical nature of carbon atom to which they are attached, but unlike oxygen analogues, in most of sulfur compound, the reaction occur by the attack of nucleophile or an electrophile or even a free radical at the sulfur atom. Another marked difference between oxygen and sulfur compound is that unlike oxygen, which readily forms double bond, sulfur is reluctant to form double bond by pp overlapping. Thus, with the exception of carbon disulfide, thiocarbonic compounds are quite unstable and readily undergo addition reaction. In other words, thioaldehyde or most of the thioketones can be generated only as transient intermediate that rapidly undergo dimerization, trimerization and polymerization to form compounds having only sigma bond. The instability of the thiocarbonyl compound is primarily due to the difference in the size of 2p orbital of carbon and 3p orbital of sulfur, which make 2p 3p overlapping relatively ineffective. In addition to poor 2p 3p overlapping, sulfur is also reluctant to form 3p 3p pi bond with other sulfur atom. It is because of this reason that elemental sulfur does not exist as diatomic S2 molecule. Instead, it prefer to form only S sulfur-sulfur sigma bond and exist as a non-planar octoatomic molecule having crown-shaped structure. Further, due to large size of sulfur atom, sulfur-sulfur bond is quite long. As a result, the two 3p orbital, one on each sulfur atom, cannot come close enough to undergo 3p 3p overlap to a significant extent, and hence the pi bond between 3p 3p orbitals is very weak. It may, however, be noted that unlike thioaldehyde and thioketone, thioamide and thioacid are isolable and hence are relatively stable. This contradicts the generalization that pi bonds involving sulfur atom are very weak. The actual reason for their stability is the resonance stabilization involving lone pair of electron on nitrogen or oxygen atom. Here, the contribution of structure toward resonance hybrid of thioamide and that of the structure toward resonance hybrid of thioacid is significant because both of them have only single bond between carbon and sulfur atom. We have discussed above that sulfur has little tendency to form pi bond through pp overlap. However, many sulfur compounds such as dimethyl sulfoxide, a widely used aprotic solvent having pi bond between sulfur and oxygen atom. As anticipated, this double bond, like any other double bond, consists of a sigma bond and a pi bond. The sigma bond is formed by head-on overlap between an sp3 orbital of sulfur and one of the half-filled p orbital of oxygen. The other two sp3 orbital of S overlap with sp3 orbital of 2 alkyl group to form two additional bond, while the fourth sp3 orbital contain a lone pair of electron. Sulfur is now left with a half-filled orbital and oxygen also have an half-filled p orbital, since dxy lie in the plane of 2py orbital and dzx lie in the plane of 2pz orbital. Therefore, d pi p pi overlap occur either between dxy and 2py orbital to form a pi bond. In valence bond terms, this d pi p pi bonding implies that DMSO may be regarded as resonance hybrid of the following contributing structure. Since DMSO has a dipole moment 3.9 D, this suggests that structure makes a significant contribution toward the resonance hybrid, which of course is much greater than that of the structure. An important difference between ordinary double bond with p pi overlap and sulfur oxygen double bond with p d pi overlap is that the group attached to the sulfur do not lie in a plane. This explains why acetone is planar while DMSO is non-planar. Structure of thiols and thioether. Both in thiols and thioether, S is sp3 hybridized in the ground state and not in the excited state as shown, such as sp3 hybridized sulfur has two half-filled orbital which overlap with a sp3 orbital of an alkyl group and a s orbital of hydrogen atom, as in thiols, or with sp3 hybrid orbital of 2 alkyl group as in thioether. Each of the remaining 2 sp3 orbital containing a pair of electron. However, due to greater lone pair repulsion than bond pair repulsions, the C carbon sulfur hydrogen bond angle decrease from 109 degree 28 minute to 100 degree in CH3SH. In contrast, in thioether, due to great steric hindrance between two alkyl group than between an alkyl group and a hydrogen atom in thiols, the bond angle in thioether is large than in thiols. For example, methyl thioether has a bond angle of 105 degree. Structure of sulfonic acid. If in sulfonic acid, S is also sp3 hybridized. Since here we need to form two sulfur oxygen double bond, therefore both the 3s and 3p electron are promoted to d orbital as shown below. Electronic configuration. The 4 sp3 orbital of sulfur form 4 sigma bond, 1 with the carbon atom of alkyl or aryl group and 3 with the oxygen atom. S is now left with 2 unhybridized d orbital which overlap with p orbital of 2 oxygen atom to form 2 d pi p pi bond. The p orbital of third oxygen atom overlap with s orbital of hydrogen atom to form an OH bond. Thus, sulfonic acid have tetrahedral structure. Nomenclature. For the purpose of nomenclature, sulfur compounds are classified according to the valence state of sulfur. The compound containing bivalent sulfur are structurally analogous to the corresponding oxygen compound such as alcohol, carbonyl compound, carboxylic acid, etc. Therefore, they are often named by adding the prefix thio to the name of the corresponding oxygen analogues. Thioalcohol, thiophenol, diethyl thioether, thioacetaldehyde, thioacetone, thioacetic acid, thiourea. For naming the compound having sulfur in place of carbon, the prefix thio is sometimes used. For compound having sulfur in higher oxidation states, special names are used. Methane sulfonic acid, benzene sulfonic acid, para-toluene sulfonyl chloride, dimethyl sulfone. Thiols or thioalcohol. Just as alcohol are alkyl derivative of water, in the same way thioalcohols are alkyl derivative of H2S. Water, alcohol, hydrogen sulfide, thioalcohol. Thus, the general formula of thioalcohol is RSH. In the IUPAC system, thioalcohols are thiols. They are also called mercaptans, mercury catching. Since they react with mercury ions to form insoluble mercury compound, the functional group of thioalcohol is SH. It is called sulfhydryl thiol or mercapta. A number of sulfur compounds are found in nature. For example, butane thiol is found in skunk and American animal. Propane thiol occur in onions. Allyl mercaptan and allyl disulfide occur in garlic. Nomenclature of thiols. They are named according to the following systems. Common name. In the common system, thioalcohols are called mercaptans. The individual name of any thioalcohol is then derived by adding the word mercaptan to the name of alkyl group. Second, IUPAC system. In the IUPAC system, thioalcohols are called thiols. The individual name of any thioalcohol is then obtained by adding the suffix thiol to the name of hydrocarbon containing the same number of carbon atom. In case of isomeric thiols, the position of SH group is indicated by the lowest possible Arabic numeral. The common IUPAC name of some typical thiols is given below. In case of polyfunctional compound, the thiol is named as the mercapto derivative of the principal functional group. It may be noted that OH group is assigned higher priority both in numbering and naming. For example, beta hydroxyl ethyl mercaptan. IUPAC name 2-mercaptanoethanol. Method of formation. Thioalcohol are generally prepared by the following method. First, from alkyl halide. When alkyl halide are heated with large excess of sodium or potassium hydrogen sulfide, thiols are formed. Second, from sodium alkyl sulfate or para-toluene sulfonic ester. When sodium alkyl sulfate is heated with sodium hydrogen sulfide, thiol is formed. From alcohol, mercaptans are prepared from alcohol either by treating with phosphorus pentasulfide or by passing a mixture of hydrogen sulfide and alcohol vapor over thoria catalyst at 673 Kelvin. Fourth, from alkene, addition of hydrogen sulfide to the carbon-carbon double bond of an alkene in presence of nickel sulfide as catalyst leads to the formation of thiols. The addition occur in accordance with Markovnikov rule. Terminal thiol can, however, be prepared by free radical addition of H2S to an alkene. Fifth, from thiourea or S-alkyl isothiouranonium salt. When alkyl bromide or iodide are treated with thiourea, S-alkyl isothiouranonium salt are produced. These upon alkaline hydrolysis give thiols in about 80 to 90% yield. This is the best method for preparing thiol. Sixth, from Grignard reagent. The reaction of Grignard reagent with sulfur powder give addition product which upon hydrolysis give thiol. Grignard reagent react with sulfur powder give addition product on further hydrolysis give alkane ethyol. Physical properties. First, physical state, smell, etc. Methane ethyol is a gas while other thiols are colorless, volatile liquid with disagreeable smells. The lower member have extremely strong smell while higher member have mild odor. The odor of freshly cut onions is due to propane 1 thiol and that of garlic is partially due to propane 2 in 1 thiol. Small quantity of ethane thiol are added to LPG to warm against leakage of the gas. Second, boiling point. Due to absence of hydrogen bonding, the boiling point of lower thioalcohol have lower than that of the corresponding alcohol. However, thiols have 8 or more carbon atom have slightly higher boiling point than corresponding alcohol due to strong van der Waals force of attraction and weaker hydrogen bond. Solubility. Thiols are less soluble in water than the corresponding alcohol. This is due to the reason that thiol cannot form hydrogen bond with water. Fourth, dipole moment. Due to small electronegativity of sulfur than oxygen, sulfur hydrogen bond is less polar than oxygen hydrogen bond. As a result, thioalcohols have lower dipole moment than their corresponding alcohol. Chemical reaction. The thiols resemble alcohol in many ways. The main difference in their behavior is towards oxidizing agent. Some important chemical reaction of diols are discussed below. Acidic nature. The thioalcohol are stronger acid than alcohol. This is because of the following two reasons. The bond dissociation energy of sulfur hydrogen is much lower than the oxygen hydrogen bond. As a result, sulfur hydrogen bond is cleaved more easily than oxygen hydrogen bond. Second, the anion left after the removal of proton from RS negative have a negative charge on sulfur atom, while in case of alcohol RO negative it is an oxygen atom. Because of the large size of sulfur, RS negative can accommodate the negative charge more easily than smaller oxygen atom in RO negative ion. Some important reaction of thiols due to their acidic nature are discussed below. Reaction with alkalis. Due to the stronger acidic nature, they dissolve in sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, forming their corresponding salt called mercaptides. The reaction is reversible and the mercaptides are completely hydrolyzed by water in the absence of alkalis. Second, reaction with mercury oxide. Being acidic, thiols react with mercuric oxide to form mercury mercaptide. Third, action of alkali metal. Alkali metal being strong bases react with mercaptans to form the corresponding mercaptides with evolution of hydrogen gas. Fourth, action of heavy metal salt. When a thiol is treated with aqueous solution of the salt of heavy metal, mercaptide is obtained. These have metal mercaptide are generally covalent compound. Reaction of carboxylic acid. Thiol react with carboxylic acid preferably in the presence of an organic acid as a catalyst to form corresponding thioester. Acid react with thiol in the presence of a catalyst give thioester. The equilibrium lie mainly to the left. However, a good yield of an ester is obtained if acid chloride is used instead of acid. Third, oxidation. Due to weaker sulfur hydrogen bond, thiols can be easily oxidized. The nature of the product, however, depend upon the nature of oxidizing agent used. With mild oxidizing agents such as air, hydrogen peroxide, copper chloride or sodium hypochlorite, thiols are oxidized to dialkyl sulfide. An alkaline solution of sodium plumbite containing sulfur also convert thiols to dialkyl disulfide. Dialkyl disulfide can also be prepared by action of iodine on sodium mercaptides. With strong oxidizing agents such as nitric acid, periodic acid, thiols are converted into sulfonic acid. This gives us an important point of difference between thiols and alcohol in their behavior toward oxidation, whereas as in alcohol, oxidation increase the oxidation state of carbon, while in case of thiols, oxidation state of sulfur increase. Fourth, reduction on treatment with Raney nickel. thiols readily undergo desulfurization to form the corresponding hydrocarbons. Action of aldehyde and ketone. Thiols readily combine with aldehyde and ketone in presence of hydrochloric acid to form mercaptals and mercaptols respectively. When these mercaptals and mercaptols in ethanol are refluxed in the presence of Raney-nickel, the thiol group is replaced by hydrogen. Thus, mercaptal-mercaptol formation in acidic medium followed by desulfurization with Raney-nickel gives us an excellent method for conversion of carbonyl group to methylene group under neutral condition. This method is however competitive with Clemmensen reduction, which is carried out under acidic condition, and Wolff-Kishner reduction, which is carried out under basic condition. Further, these mercaptals and mercaptols on treatment with mercury chloride in presence of cadmium carbonate regenerate the original aldehyde and ketone. Therefore, like acetals and ketyls, mercaptals and mercaptols can also be used for protection of aldehyde ketone group in acidic medium. Oxidation of mercaptols. Mercaptols are easily oxidized to sulfanols. For example, oxidation of acetone mercaptol with KMnO4 gives sulfanol. Sulfanol is used as hypnotic sleep-inducing drug. Homologs of sulfonal, namely trianol and tetranol, are even more effective hypnotics. Thioether. Thioether may be regarded either as dialkyl derivative of hydrogen sulfide or alkyl derivative of thioalcohol. They may also be regarded as derivative of ether in which oxygen has been replaced by sulfur. Nomenclature. The common name of thioether are obtained by adding the word sulfide or thioether to the name of alkyl group arranged in alphabetical order. In IUPAC system, thioether are named as alkyl thioalkane. The sulfur atom is taken with the smaller alkyl group which form a part of alkyl thio group, while the larger alkyl group forms a part of alkane. The common with parentheses and IUPAC name of some thioethers are given below. Methyl thiomethane, dimethyl sulfide or dimethyl thioether. Methods of preparation: by heating potassium sulfide with an alkyl halide, potassium alkyl sulfate or potassium tosylate. The yield are generally good to fairly good. Potassium sulfide react with alkyl halide give a thioether. By heating an ether with potassium pentasulfide, ether react with pentasulfide in the presence of heat give thioether. This yield is very poor. By heating an alkyl halide with sodium mercaptide, this method is similar to Williamson synthesis and can be used for the synthesis of both symmetrical and unsymmetrical thioether. Since alkyl sulfide is better nucleophile than alkoxide ion, the reaction is very rapid and give excellent yield. By addition of thiol to an alkene in presence of peroxide, by passing a thiol over a mixture of heated alumina and zinc sulfide at 573 Kelvin. Physical property. Physical state: thioether are colorless, oily liquid having unpleasant smell. Solubility: they are insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvents such as alcohol, ether, etc. Boiling point: in general, their boiling point are relatively higher than those of corresponding ether. This is due to the stronger van der Waals forces of attraction in thioether as compared to ether, primarily due to bigger size of sulfur than oxygen atom. Chemical reaction: although ether are relatively unreactive, thioether are quite reactive. Their reactivity is primarily due to the ability of divalent sulfur atom to get converted into compound with +4 and +6 oxidation state. The main difference lies in the formation of sulfoxide and sulfones on oxidation and to form sulfonium salt with alkyl halide. Some of their important chemical reactions are described below. First, weak basic character. Due to presence of lone pair of electron on sulfur atom, thioether like ether behave as bases. As such, they dissolve in 100% sulfuric acid to form sulfonium salt. Second reaction with alkyl halide: being sufficiently nucleophilic, thioethers react with alkyl halide by SN2 mechanism to form trialkyl sulfonium salt. A noteworthy feature of sulfonium salt is that they are tetrahedral, the orbital containing the lone pair of electron being considered as the fourth substituent. If the three substituents attached to the sulfur atom are different, sulfonium salt behave as chiral molecule and have been resolved into stable enantiomers. It may be noted here that tertiary amine of the type R1, R2, R3, and could not be resolved in spite of the fact that they also have tetrahedral structure. The reason cited was that the energy difference between the two enantiomer was quite low, 25 kilojoule per mole, and thus rapid 2.3 into 10 raised to power 10 second inverse. Interconversion between the two enantiomer gave a racemic mixture. However, in case of sulfonium salt, the energy difference between the two enantiomer is sufficiently high and hence cannot be readily interconverted. Therefore, sulfonium salt can be easily dissolved. These sulfonium salt are stable at room temperature but decompose on heating to alkyl sulfide and alkyl halide. With moist silver oxide, these sulfonium salt form sulfonium hydroxide, which are strong bases. These sulfonium hydroxide decomposed on heating to form the original alkyl sulfide and an alkene. This reaction may occur either by E2 or E1 mechanism depending upon the nature of alkyl group. If all the group are primary, the reaction occur by E2 mechanism. If, however, one of the group is tertiary, the reaction occur by E1 mechanism. Third, formation of sulfur lides and their reaction. The sulfonium salt on treatment with a strong base such as N-butyl lithium eliminate an alpha hydrogen to form dialkyl sulfonium methylides, commonly known as sulfur lides. For example, dimethyl sulfide react with strong base methyl iodide, trimethyl sulfonium iodide is formed. These sulfur lides are extremely useful synthetic reagent and have been widely used for the synthesis of epoxide and cyclopropane derivative by reacting them with a ketone or an activated olefin. Fourth, oxidation. Thioether on oxidation first gives sulfoxide and then sulfone. Dialkyl sulfide on further oxidation gives sulfoxide, on further oxidation sulfone. First with mild oxidizing agent. With mild oxidizing agent like HiO4 at 273 Kelvin, oxidation can be stopped at the sulfoxide stage. Second, with moderate and strong oxidizing agent. With moderate and strong oxidizing agent such as hydrogen peroxide in glacial acetic acid, dimethyl sulfide give first diethyl sulfoxide and then diethyl sulfone. However, with strong oxidizing agents such as KMNO4, HNO3, etc., sulfones are directly obtained. Fifth, reduction. Alkyl sulfide on treatment with Rani nickel readily undergo reduction and desulfurization forming alkanes. Reaction with bromine. Alkyl sulfide form many addition product. For example, addition of bromine give dialkyl sulfide bromide. Sulfonic acid. Sulfonic acid are organic compound having the general formula RSO3H, where R may be an alkyl or aryl group. The aliphatic sulfonic acid are named either as alkyl sulfonic acid or as alkane sulfonic acid, while aromatic sulfonic acid are named only as arene sulfonic acid. For example, methyl sulfonic acid, isopropyl sulfonic acid, para-toluene sulfonic acid, benzene sulfonic acid. Method of formation. Aliphatic sulfonic acid. Aliphatic sulfonic acid are generally prepared by following method. Oxidation of thiol. Thiols on oxidation with nitric acid, KMNO4, NaOBr, etc. undergo oxidative coupling. Since sulfur hydrogen bond are much weaker than oxygen hydrogen bond to form first dialkyl disulfide, which under the condition of reaction are further oxidized to alkyl sulfonic acid by thiosulfonate ester and disulfone or Y-sulfinic or sulfinic acid as shown below. Second, sulfonation of alkane. Sulfonation of alkane with concentrated H2SO4, oleum or chlorosulfinic acid give alkane sulfonic acid. The sulfonic acid group generally enter the chain at the second carbon atom. Action of sulfuryl chloride on alkane. The action of sulfuryl chloride or a mixture of chlorine and SO2 on an alkane in presence of light or peroxide at 313 or to 323 Kelvin give the corresponding alkane sulfonyl chloride in high yield. Here again the SO2Cl group enter mainly at the second position of the chain through a very varying amount of product with this group at the first carbon are also formed. Fourth, sticker reaction. Sodium salt of sulfonic acid are obtained when an alkyl halide is heated with sodium sulfite. Fifth, addition of sodium bisulfite to alkene. In presence of oxygen or peroxide, anti-Markovnikov addition of sodium bisulfite to alkene give the sodium salt of corresponding alkane sulfonic acid. Aromatic sulfonic acid. Aromatic sulfonic acid are produced by sulfonation of aromatic hydrocarbon with concentrated sulfuric acid, fuming sulfuric acid, sulfur trioxide, and 1-protopyridinium sulfonate. Benzene react with sulfuric acid, give benzene sulfonic acid. The choice of sulfonating agent and the condition employed mainly depend upon the type of aromatic compound to be sulfonated. When the aromatic compound contain an activating group, the sulfonation is usually carried out with concentrated sulfuric acid at relatively low temperature. In contrast, sulfonation of deactivated aromatic compound is carried out with fuming sulfuric acid at high temperature 473 to 573 Kelvin. 1-protopyridinium sulfonate is mainly used for the sulfonation of acid-sensitive aromatic compounds such as furan, pyrrole, etc. Physical properties. Aliphatic sulfonic acid are colorless liquid or low melting solid, while aromatic sulfonic acid are colorless crystalline solid which are highly hygroscopic in nature. Second, melting point of sulfonic acid are lower than the corresponding carboxylic acid. This is because of the absence of hydrogen bonding in sulfonic acid, as a result of which they exist as discrete molecule, while aliphatic carboxylic acid exists as cyclic dimer due to hydrogen bonding. Chemical reactions. Some important chemical reactions of sulfonic acid are discussed below. First, acidic nature. Sulfonic acid are completely ionized in aqueous solution. They are strong acid as sulfuric acid. Sulfonate ion is a resonance hybrid of the following three equivalent resonating structure. As a result, negative charge is dispersed on all the three oxygen atom, and hence sulfonic acid are strong acid. In contrast, the carboxylic ion is stabilized by two equivalent resonating structure. Therefore, carboxylic acid are weaker acid than sulfonic acid. Being acidic, sulfonic acid neutralized alkalis and decomposed carbonate and bicarbonate, evolving carbon dioxide gas. Second, formation of acid chloride. When treating with thionyl chloride or phosphorus pentachloride, they form the corresponding sulfonyl chloride. These sulfonyl chloride on treatment with ammonia or alcohol in presence of alkali or better with sodium alkoxide, forming the corresponding sulfonamides or sulfonic ester respectively. Third, formation of an hydride. On heating with phosphorus pentoxide, sulfonic acid from the corresponding anhydride. Fourth, replacement reaction of arene sulfonic acid. A number of reagents can bring about the replacement of sulfonic acid group by other group. This is because sulfonic acid is an excellent leaving group. This property makes sulfonic acid as valuable reagent in organic synthesis. A few important reactions of this type are discussed below. The first, replacement by hydroxyl group. When sodium benzene sulfonate is fused with alkali, sodium phenoxide is produced. Second, replacement by amide group. When sodium arene sulfonate are fused with soda amide, primary aromatic amines are formed. Third, replacement by cyanide group. When fused with sodium cyanide, sodium salt of arene sulfonic acid give aryl cyanide. Fourth, replacement by SH group. Sodium arene sulfonate on fusion with sodium hydrosulfide give thiophenols. For fifth, replacement by H desulfonation. Sulfonation follow the principle of microscopic reversibility. Thus, when arene sulfonic acid are heated with dilute hydrochloric acid under pressure at 423 to 473 Kelvin, arenes are produced. The mechanism of desulfonation is just reverse of the sulfonation. Sixth, replacement by a halogen atom or a nitro group. When a sulfonic acid group is located at ortho or para position with respect to the hydroxyl or amide group, it is knocked off and replaced by amide group or halogen group during nitration and halogenation respectively. Sulfonamides are derivative of sulfonic acid, and in which hydroxide group part of sulfonic acid group has been replaced by amide group or substituted amino group such as NHR, NR2. For example, sulfanylamide. Preparation. Sulfonamide are generally prepared by action of ammonia primary or secondary amines on the corresponding sulfonyl chloride. For example, benzene sulfonyl chloride on react with ammonia give benzene sulfonamide. Properties. Sulfonamides are well defined crystalline solid and therefore used for characterizing sulfonic acid. Acidic nature, they are weakly acidic in nature and hence react with strong alkalis to form water soluble salt. For example, benzene sulfonamide react with potassium hydroxide, give potassium benzene sulfonamide. Hydrolysis, sulfonamide on heating with aqueous acid or alkalis undergo hydrolysis to form the corresponding sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonamide react with water to give benzene sulfonic acid. Uses, they are used in the manufacture of dyes, antiseptics such as chloramine, tea and sulfa drugs. Sulfaguanidine synthesis, acetanilide on chlorosulfonation with excess of chlorosulfonic acid gives para-acetamidobenzene sulfonyl chloride, which upon treatment with guanidine followed by the acid hydrolysis gives sulfaguanidine. Guanidine needed for the purpose itself prepared by heating cyanide with ammonium chloride. Uses, sulfaguanidine is an important sulfa drug and is used for treatment of bacillary dysentery since it is only slightly absorbed in the intestinal tract. Therefore, it is given in relatively large doses. Synthetic detergent. These days, in place of soap, the substance which are being largely used as cleansing agent are synthetic detergent. As the name suggests, they are obtained from purely synthetic chemical as compared to soap, which are derived from the chemicals obtained from the natural sources like oil, fat. In fact, synthetic detergent are sodium or potassium salt of long chain alkyl hydrogen sulfate or aryl sulfonic acid. Unlike soap, synthetic detergent can also be conveniently used even in hard water. This is due to the reason that calcium and magnesium salt of detergent, like their sodium or potassium salt, are also soluble in water. Hence, synthetic detergent do not form curdy white precipitate with hard water. Further, they can also be used in acidic solution. However, synthetic detergent have one disadvantage. Unlike soap, they are not completely biodegradable and hence cause water pollution. The typical synthetic detergent are either alkyl sulfate or alkyl benzene sulfonates. First, sodium alkyl sulfate. They are obtained from long chain alcohol by treatment with concentrated sulfuric acid followed by neutralization with sodium hydroxide. Some important example of this type of detergent are sodium lauryl sulfate C11H23 CH2O SO3 negative Na positive and sodium scatrial sulfate C17H35 CH2O SO3 negative Na. Sodium lauryl sulfate is also commonly known as sodium dialyl sulfate SDS. It is mainly used in shampoos and cosmetics. These sodium alkyl sulfate are 100% biodegradable. These are also effective in slightly acidic solutions since they form an alkyl hydrogen sulfate, which is a soluble material, whereas soap react with acidic solution to form insoluble fatty acid. B. Alkyl benzene sulfonate. The most commonly used domestic detergent these days are linear alkyl benzene sulfonate such as sodium P-N-dodecyl benzene sulfonate. They are anionic detergent and are obtained by conversion of benzene into long chain alkyl benzene followed by sulfonation and neutralization with sodium hydroxide. Another important example is sodium P2-decyl benzene sulfonate. It is prepared by Friedel-Crafts alkylation of benzene with long chain of alkyl halide or an alkene or an alcohol followed by sulfonation and neutralization with sodium hydroxide. Cleansing action of soap and detergent. All the soap and detergent contain two characteristic group: water-soluble hydrophilic phobic group and an oil-soluble hydrophilic or lipophilic group. As a result, one end of molecule of soap is detergent tend to go into oil phase and other tends to go into water phase, with the net result the material concentrate at the surface. The dirt is generally held to the dirty surface by a thin film of oil or grease. When the dirty surface is treated with soap solution, the non-polar hydrocarbon chain of soap or detergent dissolve in oil or grease and the carboxylate group of the soap or the sulfonate group of the synthetic detergent is held by surrounding water. This lowers the surface tension between water and grease. As a result, a stable emission of oil in water is formed when the surface or both the cloth is mechanically scrubbed. The loosened dirt particles are absorbed by colloidal soap or detergent particle and ultimately wash away. Thank you.